Thanks to the internet, you can have almost anything delivered to you, from a doghouse to an inflatable T-Rex costume. So why do you have to drive all the way across town to test drive a new car? Well, at Hyundai, it's now possible to have the test drive come to you, wherever you want. We call it Flexible Test Drive. And it's
Halloween, Party City. Oh, it's on. Restrictions apply. Minimum purchase required. See store for details.
Hi, it's Robin Rock with 93.9 Light FM in Chicago with Bank of America Chicago Market President Paul Lambert. What would you like the power to do for Chicago? Yeah.
Neil Arts here. I can't wait to see you for Big 95.5's Miller Lite Nashville Nights. Thursday, September 26th at J.W. Holstein Saloon, 17358 Oak Park Avenue in Tinley Park.
Miller Lite in Chicago.
Pivot all those capabilities and resources to help people achieve the things that matter most to them.